I started unboxing my bee box, and then I realized I should probably be recording this. This is what I took out so far.
Yes,
the body.
Sorbet. Okay.
It's my Mother's Day gift. I'm still unboxing it, so here we go. We can do the rest together.
Roars.
Okay. So, I think these are the frames. I don't know what I'm doing, so we're learning together. I got a bunch of books. I didn't get any bees yet. I'm not gonna get any bees until I feel like a person. But I have the box, so came with a bunch of these.
Oh, we got a bunch of bees in our area.
We do have a lot of bees outside.
Yes, don't say we don't have bees.
So it all comes apart. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is for the bottom.
Yeah, I know it's for the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's still more. Whoa. Got that one.
Okay. This piece.
It's a super.
And then finally, on the very bottom is the lid.
A lid. The lid.
The lid and this thing. So, the instructions explain it really well. So, actually, the way I took it out of the box, it was reversed, so I could just set it up as I went. According to the instructions, we have the base, which is that, and then the box would go on top of it. Okay, so it just sits on top of it like that. And that's what we got so far. And I'm assuming I'm gonna have to assemble, what are those called? Foundation sheets, the frames, and put them in here. But until then, the inner cover goes on top, I guess? What's the queen excluder? I don't know. Well, for now, so I don't lose any pieces, 'cause I'm just very excitedly putting this together. We'll just lay it all on top of each other. Oh my god, look at it, look at it, look at it. And then the lid. So this is what it looks like when it's put together on the outside. Okay, and then it also came with a beekeeping toolkit, so we're gonna open that together and view it for the first time. Okay, so this is
A tool thing.
the tool thing. And in the instructions it says what's what, so I'm gonna grab that. Okay, so inside of the toolkit it came with a sewing tool.
It came with a sewing.
This is a spur wire, the embedder used to push the wire into the wax. Okay. It came with an uncapping fork, a sturdy molded plastic with sharp tines, easy to clean with hot water, soap, and a brush.
Hey, Mom, I want to look in the box.
Yeah, come take a peek. It came with a beetle trap made from a reliable plastic that is light and effective to keep your bees safe. Okay, then it came with an entrance feeder, very easy to monitor sugar syrup levels and convenient to clean. Easily can be seen how much food is remained. It came with a queen cage, a beekeeping rearing cup, easy to use for catching a queen bee. Alright, then this is an uncapping knife, Ultra thin and sharp and non-slip wooden handle, convenient to extract or scraping honey. Oh, oh, I'm so excited. Okay. A queen mark tube. You can adjust the height of the sponge in the marking bucket and then using the marking tool to mark it. I don't know what that is. Okay, then a beekeeping brush. This brush is to remove bees from the hive frames during inspection. The bristles won't harm the bees. The smoker pellets made of Chinese natural herb, which makes bees calm down and healthy. Okay. This is a beekeeping grip, reliable stainless steel and wooden handle, convenient and durable to use, high quality, solid and strong. This is the bee smoker. Excellent engineering design, can maximize the amount of wind blown out. Okay.
I'm done.
All right. Okay, this is a J-hook made of stainless steel, painted red, and is very hard to bend or break, very multifunctional tool. Okay, then it came with, oh, very long gloves. Goat skin leather beekeeping gloves offer unparalleled flexibility and are comfortable. You know I have to try these on.
Yeah. Yes, and me.
You want to try them on too?
Yeah.
Oh man, I guess bees can't sting through this?
Yeah.
That's, I have a bee suit coming in the mail too that I ordered off of Amazon, so I'm going to try that on for you guys when it arrives. You want to try it on?
Yeah.
Put your arm in.
I never tried one before.
Wow, look at you. That's awesome. All right, we'll put this away.
Yeah.
So that was everything inside of the beekeeping kit. And minutes after ending that video, my bee suit came, so let's open it up. So I ordered some other stuff with it for their birthday party, but this is the bee suit. This is how it came.
And this is my new thing, like my bubble machine.
Your bubble machine.
And I got this, like my plate.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try
And
this
I got
out.
my plate.
Yeah, for your birthday?
Yeah. And Daisy got her little...
Okay, actually we're just gonna open it together because I think I can just put it over my clothes. Oh, it's one piece. Okay, I thought, wow, it's really big. Holy crap. Oh, it smells weird.
Does it smell like bees?
No, it doesn't smell like bees.
Oh, and it came with new gloves. It came with long gloves.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Recording.
Is it recording? Okay.
Boo, boo, boo.
Okay, it's actually not that massive. Well, it is, but it's massive, but it has elastic that just wraps perfectly.
Hey, Mom. Can you put that little hoodie thing on?
Yeah.
And can you unzip it?
Oh my god.
Can you unzip it? Can you zip it?
I think it's the hat that smells funky.
Yeah. Yes, I don't know. Look.
Alright, I'm not gonna fully zip it.
Hey, Mom, I'm so excited to put my bubble machine up. For my birthday.
Oh my.
I'm so excited.
What do you guys think? How do I look? Do I look professional? How do I look?
Nah.
Look at me! Oh my god! Where can I put you?
Hey, Mom, can I record my little birthday thing?
Oh, I'm gonna record your birthday, absolutely. Holy crap, look at me. I'm in a bee suit! I'm in a bee suit! I gotta show Dad.